saying? I think strobe lights should be coming on. There you go. You got the strobe lights coming on. See, everything lit. You know what I'm saying? Then you move up to even the mouse pad. Mouse pad is even lit. Look at them lights. Mouse pad is lit. You got the cooler fan. Cooler fan is lit. Everything matching. You know what I'm saying? Cooler fan lit. You got the laptop is lit. You know what I'm saying? Underneath the laptop, goes all around the sides. Goes all around the sides, y'all. Keys are so lit. And even the back side is lit. You know what I'm saying? Even the back side is lit. But anyway, though, what it do, y'all, man? It's your homeboy E-Ross the Boss Beats, man. You know what I'm saying? Giving y'all another video. Giving y'all another thing on how I created this West Coast beat right here. So I'm gonna go step by step how I created the West Coast type beat. And first thing I started with, you gotta start off with the sound first. So I started with sound, then I build around it. Check this sound out. So I started out with that. Then I made some chants. So I made like 2 different chants. This chant is slower. Okay. That was a slower chant. This one is the faster chant. I only put this like in certain parts, like the chorus or maybe like a hype chorus part. And then next, 808s. I did 2 different versions of 808s. One for the main verse and then the other one for the chorus. So this is the first one right here. This right here is for the main verses. Next one we'll play the second one right here. So this is the second one right here. That's for like the chorus. That's the 808s. And then we got some kicks. Got some kicks. And then we got what else we got? Oh yeah, we got hi-hats. I made 2 different versions of hi-hats too. Here they go. Now how I got that effect of the hi-hats, I'm gonna show y'all right now. I just used I used a fruity phaser with the metallic, and then I turned down the volume by half of it right there. So that's all I used. I used the metallic, and then I turned that down about halfway. Then we got the other hi-hats, which is right here. This is the second part of the hi-hats. And this one is pretty much straightforward. Now, if you notice, the hi-hats, how I did them, I panned them. I got them going left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. You know what I'm saying? To give it more dynamic and give it more, you know, different feel, trying to be different from all the other beats so it stand out. So you just go left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. And I only used it like on the chorus parts. So that's the part where I only use it at. I only use it on the chorus parts. Next thing we got is claps. Claps is important when you're making like a West Coast type beat, or say like if you're doing like club beat or a twerk beat, you know, things that's gonna make females, you know, get on the dance floor and do that thing. That's all. So them the fast claps, and then this one is even the faster claps. As you see, I got different volumes on claps and stuff like that. Some of them can stand out. And here's what I got with this one. This one I use like on the chorus parts and stuff though too. Yeah, you know, claps is important, so you gotta have the right claps. You gotta have that right motion where the claps they can just go in on their own. And next I got regular claps. These are the slower claps. These are the claps that just go pretty much with the melody of the beat. So I was smacking fire out of them, man. So then for the claps, we're gonna turn down a little bit of reverb. Then that way we should be able to hear it better now. There we go. Alright, next we gonna go to the snaps. You gotta have snaps in here, you know what I'm saying? Gotta have the snaps in here. We got the snaps, and then we got the we got some open hats. And that's pretty much it. And then the purpose, you see we got the master pitch right here, and the master pitch this one. Okay, this master pitch, we got this turned all the way over towards, we got it going a little bit towards the right. It gives it a different feel. And what it does is just it manipulates the drums a little bit, not so much the sound because the sample is already manipulated. So, and then when you get on this part right here, if you notice, it goes back to regular mode. So I did that, you know, saying to give it a little bit, you know, more of a different feel, more of a different flavor. So it goes here, it's on this tone, then when it gets to the chorus, it goes back to regular, and then when it gets here, it goes back. So pretty much, you know what I'm saying, if you add everything up, this pretty much is up by 8%. Like this is 50% right here. So this is about 50% right here. This right here is 58%. So it's probably most likely like, you know, like 1/4 of a semitone up, and that's about it. And then, cause you ain't gotta always use halftime and stuff like that, even though I got it and I could have used it, but I'd rather just do it like this because it deals with the drums as opposed to it's dealing with the sound itself. So anyway, that's gonna conclude the video. It's like I said, man, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that post notification bell so that way when I upload a video, you will be the first ones to see it, man. I'm telling you. Like, yeah, because I'm trying to grow this channel, like, for real. You know what I'm saying? The first 100 subscribers, you know what I'm saying? I'm giving away a free FLP with a free beat. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, it's going to be worth it, gang, because it's going to be a customized beat. It's going to be a winner. You know what I'm saying? And then I'm also going to get into, like, doing loops and drum kits and stuff like that real soon. So, But I want y'all to subscribe because you never know when I'm gonna get this stuff out for free. Like I said, the first 100 people that's subscribers, I'm definitely giving away a FLP for free. And that's gonna be it. You know, that's it for this video. I'm gonna let y'all enjoy this whole entire beat, and let's play it. Oh, did I forget to mention my new logo? Oh yeah, forgot to put it on that one. Anyway, though, let me see. Balls. All right, y'all. Thank y'all for watching, man. And like I said before, happy 4th to everybody. And if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe. Hit that post notification bell so that we be notified whenever I upload a new video. And it's your boy, E-Ross the Boss, and I am out, man.